Okay, I forgot to give a final update on the block wall, or retaining wall, not that it's a wall, but here we go here. And like I said before, it's about close to 3 feet in the ground. And we've got 4 courses with caps. We have a solid metal beam, so if we want to do a carport later, and then so we brought our dirt up, so hopefully what we'll do here on the dirt, the water as it melts in the snow will go towards the grass and maybe out that direction instead of here. He put a bunch of dirt there because normally it all flows down here and puddles here. We do have, this is where we push our snow back. There's the Beast backhoe. And then there's another post here in the ground with a huge concrete post way down there. So that if we do later on want to do a carport, we're all set and it's all good. See, this is the front part of our garage. We have 2 garage doors. There's one and here's one. So this is our 2-door garage that comes off the first driveway. So this would be a nice place for a carport. Okay, over.